Let's make this amazing side dish or even main course using food that we get deals on. So I'm going to be using these Velveeta shells and cheese, and I'm going to make a delicious meal, and I'm sprucing this up for my taste. Using 1 onion, I'm going to dice this up. I'm going to use a few cloves of garlic, and I already have some broccoli already made, but if you don't have made broccoli, you can use frozen or fresh. And then Violife plant butter and this Colby Jack cheese. I needed to use it up, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. I'm boiling some water for the pasta. I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta in. Salt it up. Give it a stir. Dice up the onion into small diced up pieces. A few cloves of garlic. I'm going to go with 4. I like a lot of garlic. It says to boil for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm actually only going to boil for about 5 minutes because I'm going to cook the rest of the ingredients with it. Alright, so I'm going to take it over and drain out most of the water. I'm just going to leave enough to cover the pasta, just like this. And I'm going to lower it down to medium. Alright, to this I'm going to go ahead and add the onion. I didn't use all of it. I did use about 3/4 of an onion. And then some garlic. I'm going to throw that in there. I just chopped it up. Give it a nice stir. Add some butter. I'm going to use a lot of butter because I'm factoring in, the onions, the garlic, and the broccoli. Let that get melted in. I'm using some evaporated milk now. I don't have whole milk in my refrigerator. We only drink almond milk, but if you have regular milk, you can just use that. I'm going to go ahead and use this whole can of evaporated milk. Give that a stir. Alright, and adding the cheese. This is the one that came in the packet, of course. Alright, that gets all of it. And I'm going to stir that on in. Trying to get it all off the sides here. Alright, now that's incorporated, I'm going to add about 4 slices of this Colby Jack cheese. If you have shredded cheese, you could just do 1/2 cup or as much as you like. Get that all melted in, and by now the onions and garlic are all cooked in. The pasta is fully cooked. I'm going to go ahead and turn that to low. Just let everything melt and marry together. And I'm going to go ahead and add the broccoli. So if you were using frozen or raw, you would add it when you add the onions. But since this was already cooked, I just waited till the end to go ahead and incorporate it. But this is pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and keep this on low for a couple more minutes. Let all the cheese get in with the broccoli. And this is a dish in itself, but I am going to serve this with some salmon. And that's that. It ends up being almost like a broccoli cheese pasta soup, but as it cools down, it will thicken. You can taste for salt or add any additional seasonings at this point, and then it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one.